Hello, welcome back. Welcome to watch my vlog. The topic of my vlog is about plastic bag levy and waste charge of Hong Kong in 2023. You know that the garbage problem has been in Hong Kong for a long time, but this problem has not been solved, although government has used many methods such as introducing of reuse, reduce, and recycle, but the problem has continued, especially of the plastic bag. In Hong Kong, people have disposed over 10 billion plastic bags in landfills every day. As Hong Kong has used landfills for disposal of plastic bags and rubbish, so it takes up a lot of landfill space, which increase land use problems to the society. Besides, decomposition of plastic bags will generate air pollutants causing air, soil, and water pollution due to toxic material releasing. In addition, some people still have continued to depose the plastic bags in urban, rural, or coastal areas, which causing hygiene problem. Let us look some photos to see the situation. In 2015, Hong Kong government has started charging levy to customers on purchasing at shops, markets, and supermarkets, but the response is different. I can inform you more that some people have used their own bags, but some customer and shop owners have continued to use plastic bag because of convenience and keeping business. Basically, the levy is 0.5 Hong Kong dollars, but some shop may charge higher. Let us look another photo about plastic bag disposal. As the current plastic bag levy is ineffective, the amount of plastic bag disposal has increased every year. You can see that the number of plastic bag disposal was increased from 2015. And then I will talk about waste charge on 2023 in Hong Kong. Waste charge is not a new thing in other places such as Taiwan of using designated garbage bag for disposal of all household waste. The result of garbage problem is good after using of waste charge together with recycle project. In order to solve the garbage disposal problems in Hong Kong, the government will start the waste charge on 2023. Citizens will need to pay for garbage back to dispose their waste. For large size of garbage which cannot be put into the garbage bag such as furniture, citizen needs to buy label to stick on their garbage before disposal. Below photo is this price list. Okay, next I will talk about social problems after starting waste charge. According to government calculation, a family of three will need to pay around 33 Hong Kong dollars to 55 Hong Kong dollars a month of garbage bag. This payment will increase the living cost for poor people as there are 1.65 million people living in poverty as at 2020. Although government will give a monthly subsidy of 10 Hong Kong dollars to some people, but it seems to ignore large number of poor people. In Hong Kong, a rumor is spread that some people will continue to dispose garbage without using the designated garbage bag on the street, and not because of not enough manpower to enforce the law. My opinion, Hong Kong is a small place, but it has large population. There is so much garbage generated every day, and those garbage is sent to landfills and create pollution. My opinion are the following. Government should need to mix a set of policy to recycle of all kind of waste to reduce garbage volume. Otherwise, the waste and garbage end up will send back to the landfills. On the other hand, government needs to provide more subsidy to the poultry group so as to get their support on the scheme. Government should increase manpower to enforce the laws. Government also needs to further inform and educate citizens of reducing waste and less using landfills, which can benefit our health and our next generations. Thank you for watching. Bye.